Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Recommended checklist for researchers. The checklist lists the key points of good practice in research for research projects and applicable to all subject areas. More detailed guidance can be found in section 3A. PDF version is available from here. Before conducting your research or bearing in mind the subject to legal and ethical requirements, rules and contribution may change during the time span of the research. Does the proposed research address pertinent questions, and is it designed either to add to existing knowledge about the subject in questions or to develop methods for research into it? Is your research design appropriate for the questions being asked? Will you have access to all research skills and resources to conduct the research? Have you conducted a risk assessment to determine whether there are any ethical issues and whether ethical review is required? The potential for risks to organizations, the research, or the health, safety, and well-being of the researchers and research participants, and what legal requirements govern the research. Will your research comply with all legal and ethical requirements and other applicable guidelines, including those from other organizations and our countries if relevant? Will you will your research comply with all requirements of legislation and good practice relating to health and safety? Has your research undergone any necessary ethics review, especially if it involves animals, human participants, and human material or personal data? Will your research comply with any monitoring and adult requirements? Are you in compliance with any contract and financial guidelines relating to the projects? Have you reached an agreement relating to intellectual property publication authorship? Have you reached an agreement relating to collaborative working if applicable? Has you agreed the rules of researchers and responsibilities for management and supervision? Have all conflict of interest relating to your research been identified, declared, and addressed? Are you aware of the guidance from all applicable organizations on misconduct in research? Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.